Good evening, everyone. In this tutorial,
Good evening,
we will
everyone.
learn the data types and variable
In today's
declaration in
tutorial,
Python.
we will learn
Let's open
comment and
PyCharm,
backslash character in Python.
delete
Open
all
PyCharm,
this, start with the comment,
data
delete
types.
this. In Python, there are few
comment,
types of data: integer,
hash,
float, and complex data type, that is numerical data type. There are Boolean data type, dictionary data type, string data type. For single line
comment,
how to use all these data types,
hash,
but for multi-line comment in variables, let's use inverted comma. First print 3 times a string. Max
and
is
write
a multi-line good student comment inside that inverted comma. Print another line. Max is also good player. Now, if we want to write few more lines, we have to use max every time. So how to use variable? Let's declare a variable name string. Since it is a string variable, so how can we understand if we use this inverted comma? Now if we print, see, let's execute this, we will get this to result. 3 double quoted inverted comma name. Now it is problem solved. See, there is no error. Now student print this line will be printed, but above lines is commented out. So you got to know how to make comments, single line comments and multi-line comments in Python. This is called string concatenation backslash character. You know, if you don't know it now. What will be printed? Let's see. Max is a good backslash character. Max is a good player too. Let's print something. Use a space here. Max is a good player too. So instead of writing max several times, we use a Python variable, string variable, backslash. Now, if I want to print something in new line, use in integer, then write. Let's say age, max age is Python 20. You don't need to put it inside inverted comma because it is slash new line. Then use tab. Now let's write another, create a space line. Python is used for web development. Let's print it. See, for new line there is a space here in comment. This line is printed in new line for using backslash in character, and this line is printed in new line and after giving a tab. So this is the tutorial of Python for commenting and for backslash character. Thank you very much. Integer variable, we have to use comma instead of plus sign for concatenation. Let's see the result. Max is a good student. Use an space here. Max is a good student. Max is 20 years old. So we have seen how to use declare variable, a string variable, and integer variable, and use it inside the code. Thank you very much. In this tutorial, we'll learn in next tutorial again.